Look, we match hats. Match hats. Did anybody get to see the hack on YouTube this morning? I did.
I've got family fever in my blood. If someone ever said I gave a damn, well, the damn sure told you wrong. I've got family fever in my soul. Well, random fever, the kind that can't be measured by degree. Just a man. Born in Bethlehem. Children go where I send thee. How will I send thee? Oh, I'm gonna send thee two by two to all the side.
So here's what's interesting about that guy. As soon as he walked in, he was like, hey, how are you? He had like a crazy, what do you call that? A stammer or a stutter? But as soon as he started singing, it was like an angel.
It really was.
You guys have heard of Smashing Pumpkins before. Look at the size of that turkey leg.
There's a whole like 9 of them.
No. The rain, waiting on it. Did you find is your HTC Incredible, or what is this, the Droid? Is that the noise that it makes?
It is downloading. I don't even know what that means. He's gonna choke himself. Hey! Okay, buddy? Space boy!
Look, a sweet, sweet fireworks plume. And Jen has been making fun of me non-stop for the past 10 minutes. Why? Ooh, you're gonna scratch Adam's car.
No.
Okay, so you go.
Throw it wherever you want to. Means you gotta turn that little knob. Well, you should have done. Oh, underneath my car. Oh, great. Hopefully this oh. You guys will be privy if my car blows up.
I'm really sorry.
Oh, this doesn't look good.
Look at the smoke coming out of the car.
Oh, great.
Oh, that is so awesome.
Oh, it's coming out from over the front, too.
Where is it?
I told you you should have thrown it with your right hand, not your left hand. You filming?
It's still coming out.
This is going to make Jen feel better.
You gotta get it away from the house.
Why?
Oh, I meant to hit the car.
Oh, it went into the dirt.
It's in the dirt.
Where?
Did it go out? It went out.
Oh.
It's like an all. It went into the drainage system. Oh my god! What did you do to it?
Ah,
Yeah.
yes! Where did it go? Oh, in the neighbor's house. This is just like a precursor, look. To the awesomeness that is to come. It's a good thing it's still raining. At least now we won't light any trees on fire or anything. Alright, you gonna redeem yourself?
Yeah.
Alright, you got it in your right hand.
Oh, it went under the car again.
Whoa, something landed behind you.
Whoa, it's actually like, oh, no.
Yeah.
No, because it's in
Throw it at the power boxes, that seems safer. See how close we can get to this. Ah!
Oh, it's too. You can't even see anything anymore.
It's too bad. I'm getting soaked out here. Oh, what are those?
A regular sparkler.
I hear there's an umbrella with a painting on it.
That wasn't us! Sorry, I'm shaky.
Wait, give me one.
Yours is like...
Give me one.
There's like 5 of them.
Oh no, I was taping the whole time. I'm sorry.
Alright, you ready? I'm gonna try to flip it up in the air and catch it in my
No, here we
hand.
go. Let's see.
Flip, flip.
Flip it off here.
What are we doing?
Ready? The Olympics! Torch! Pass it off. It's too shaky.
America!
I got it.
Yay!
You guys are married now.
Oh no. We're married? We're
That's what that
brothers.
means.
Oh buddy. Here it goes. You ready? We're in straight battle with the other people.
Oh.
Yay, I couldn't see it through the trees. Do it again. This is going to be epic. You guys just wait. How awesome was that? Is this a fountain? Is this going to be not worth our wait at all? Oh no, it's not a fountain. Yay! That was pretty fun, I will admit. Look at this crazy party going on down the street. It's not a, it's a little tiny one. He's walking his dog. Oh no!
Oh God!
What are you joking me? Seriously? You're good. We're starting out with the little ones. Don't worry. These are not going to be as dangerous as the last one. Yay!
The other one just landed right beside me too. Oh my god.
Yay! Watch out over there, it's gonna land. Watch your head.
There we go.
Getting a little bit bigger.
Tim's running away. Something's happening. This is more than one. This one was the free one?
Yeah.
Nice.
We got that firework for free! Oh. We're having a competition with the other side of the neighborhood. Let's see what they got. Alright, I think they're doing a little bit better than us. Did you just wait? We're gonna do it.
That's magic right there. Boom, boom, boom.
We only bought one that was this big. Do it. No, light your, come on, there it goes. Oh, it's sort of, come on, lighters. You can do it. Lighter fail. Here's light. What happened to your second one? Did it even go up?
Yeah, they all went off.
Oh.
They're all falling onto the ground.
1, 2, 3.
Bang!
Here it goes, guys.
Bang!
Yeah! Oh, Adam, you better hurry up.
How'd it go blow your face?
We're missing one. Where's the fourth?
That's a big one.
Where is it? Okay, here comes the fourth.
Blow your face.
Oh, yeah, that one wasn't very big. It's the highest quality of fireworks. Oh, this is getting awesome. I'd like to see you try to hit one on its way up.
This is the best fireworks ever.
Yay! How many are going off at once right now? There's like 50.
That's it. I think that's it.
Set off all 12 at one time. Yeah! The idea... Oh wait, should I try to light the mortar with this one? Why aren't these exploding? Oh, okay, there we go. Did I hit it? Hey, two of them shot at once. Now what? What do you guys got over there, huh? Huh? Here we go. This is the biggest spread of any single firework we could buy. Yeah. Here we go.